Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the new moonfish and fish it. Okay, let's get started. First, just head to the crystal depth. This is the only area where moonfish can be found, like this. And moonfish is uncommon fish, so you don't need top tier gear. Just use your mid-level rod and bait, like for example, lucky rod, Damascus rod, and for the bait you can use luck bait or midnight bait. And after that, just start fishing in this crystal depth and just be patient until you get the fish. and and when you get it, moonfish has a look like this. It has a pale color like this, with with a cool designs like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, that's it. That's how you can catch moonfish and fish it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.